Alrighty, hello, good day, and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we're going through a tutorial in the Bambu Studio showing you how to slice an object and change its color based on layer lines. Now, to start, we need to slice our object. I'm just going to be running with this big apple here, and then I'm going to show you what goes on because it's all through post's initial slice. Now, you have to do multiple slices throughout this. But let's say, for example, I get to this point and I want it to be a different color. All I need to do is right-click, and I just change filament, and I can change it to green. And let's say I go all the way up here and I now want it to be red again. Right click, change filament, go to red. Then I slice my plate and it will do all of that slicing, and it'll do that filament change. It'll tell you how long it's going to take. It'll do all those adjustments, and you can do as many of these as you want throughout your object and throughout your layers, and it'll show you what your object's ultimately going to look like with your options available. Now, it is going to have to build a tower on the back on you changing colors if you end up doing some multiple ones. So just keep that in mind while you're going through and creating this. You do need to make sure that you've got room for that tower in the back. From there, just click print, and you will end up with whatever your object is with those new colors intertwined and intermingled into whatever areas they are in for those layers. Looks really cool if you end up having something with like text and the text is raised. You want to change the text to be a different color. Works awesome, works really, really well. And with that, that's all we're covering. As always, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.